Good morning, this is the latest market news and I'm Roxolana. Asian markets were higher on Monday with the yen's continued weakness boosting shares in Tokyo, while a deal to ease sanctions on Iran pushed the price of oil lower. Stocks remained buoyant in Asia, taking their lead from another record-breaking session on Wall Street on Friday, where the S&P 500 finished above 1,800 points for the first time. Australia's ASX 200 rose 0.3% and the South Korea Kospi added 0.7%. In China, stocks were higher, with Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index up 0.2%. Yen weakness continued to support Japanese stocks, with the Nikkei up 1.2%. The dollar added 1.1% last week against the yen, putting it up a total of 4% against its Japanese counterpart over the last 4 weeks. The yen weakened against the dollar in early trade last at 101.79 compared with 101.27 late Friday in New York. The market is looking ahead to a speech from a Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda, scheduled for later in the day, for hints on further easing measures. The most recent data suggests that the market remains bearish on the yen, with figures from the International Monetary Market showing that the number of positions shorting the yen rose to 112,216 contracts in the week to November 19th, compared with 95,107 contracts in the prior week. Monday's a slow day for scheduled economic news, and so the report on business sentiment in France may attract more attention than usual for assessing deflation risk in the Eurozone. Later we will see new numbers for the US via the Pending Home Sales Index. US Pending Home Sales Index, 15 GMT. Is the housing market recovery fading? Yes, according to some analysts who point to a mixed bag of recent updates in this sector. In search of additional clarity, today's update of the Pending Home Sales Index for October will be closely analyzed. This leading index of housing demand has been flashing a bearish signal in recent months. The consensus forecast calls for a modest 1.1% rise for October versus a sharp 5.6% tumble in the previous month. It was the latest market news provided by ICOFX. Goodbye.